Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mechanical Zone. I'm Sambit. In this video, we will solve a numerical on simple machine. We will consider the part friction in a machine. So as you know, friction is always there in a machine or everywhere you can say. But here we are discussing about friction in machine. So what is friction in a machine? Friction in a machine can be defined in two ways. Friction is always there. Friction in case of effort, friction in case of load. So what is friction in case of effort? Friction in case of effort is the additional effort that is required to overcome the frictional force. That is friction in terms of effort. And what is friction in terms of load? Friction in terms of load is defined as the additional load that can be lifted if friction was not there. So like this, we have two different formulas in order to calculate friction in terms of effort and friction in terms of load. So what are they? They are friction in terms of effort is P minus W by VR. So P is your effort where W is the load and VR is the velocity ratio. This is the formula for friction in terms of effort. Then what is the formula for friction in terms of load? This formula is P into VR bracket minus W. That means whatever value you will get multiplying effort with velocity ratio, with that you need to subtract W. W is the load lifted, or else you can use the formula with friction effort into the velocity ratio. From this also you can easily calculate the value of friction in terms of load. So let us read the question and solve the numerical. In certain machine, an effort of 100 Newton is just able to lift the load of 840 Newton. Calculate the efficiency and friction on both effort and load side if the velocity ratio of the machine is 10. So let us write the data that are given. First data is the effort. We always mention effort as P, 100 Newton. Load that is lifted is 840. You always consider load as W. Then the velocity ratio of the machine is given to be 10, and velocity ratio has no unit. In order to calculate the efficiency, we need to calculate the mechanical advantage. So mechanical advantage is load lifted by effort applied. The load lifted is 840, effort applied is 100. We got mechanical advantage at 8.4, and mechanical advantage again has no unit. Then in order to calculate the efficiency, we need to put the formula mechanical advantage by velocity ratio. If you are doing like this much mechanical advantage by velocity ratio, you will get your efficiency in terms of decimal point, and which is always lies between 0 to 1. If you are multiplying 100, you will get in terms of percentage. So I am doing in terms of percentage. A mechanical advantage is 8.4, velocity ratio is 10 into 100. You will get as 84% as the efficiency of the machine. This is the answer of the first part. We got the answer of the first part. Then we will go to friction. In case of both friction on both sides, on effort side and on load side. So let us calculate on effort side. So the friction in terms of effort is equals to P minus W by VR. P is the effort, which is 100, minus W is the load lifted, which is 840, by velocity ratio is 10. So 100 minus 84 equals to 16 units Newton. So this is the friction in terms of effort, which is 16 Newton. This is the answer of one part. Let's go to the third part. Friction in terms of load, or friction the load side. The friction in terms of load is P into VR whole bracket minus W. P into VR, P is 100, VR is 10, minus W is 840. We'll get as 1000 minus 840 is 160 units Newton. This is the answer of third part. If you have done, if you have used this formula, you you will get this answer also. Like your F effort is 60 Newton, velocity ratio is 10, you will get 160 Newton. Like that also you can get the same answer. So this is the method in order to calculate the effort, frictional friction in terms of effort and friction in terms of load. Always remember this point. Friction in terms of effort means the friction required to overcome the effort required to overcome the friction in the simple machine. Friction in terms of load means that is the additional load that can be lifted if friction was not there. Hope you must have understood what is friction in terms of effort and friction in terms of load, and what is friction in a machine. So don't forget to like and share my videos and to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.